From the spinning jenny to the code on the screen, technology's marching, a relentless machine. It brings new efficiency, a productive gain. But with every innovation, a new kind of pain. A cyber attack on a corporate server can bring a whole business to a desperate fever. A mechanical breakdown, a drone in the sky. New exposures are born as the old models die. It's the triple engine of modern day risk, a formidable, ever-changing grist. Technology's progress with this digital threat, climate's new fury, a stormy duet. Globalization's reach, a worldwide expanse, forcing the insurance industry to advance. Now look to the skies, see the weather turn wild. The climate's new challenge for business and child. A flood in the city, a drought on the plain, disrupting the links in a global supply chain. A tomato crop fails in an unseasonal cold. A story of climate risk dramatically told. It's physical damage, it's business interruption, demanding new levels of loss corruption. It's the triple engine of modern day risk, a formidable, ever-changing grist. Technology's progress with this digital threat, climate's new fury, a stormy duet. Globalization's reach, a worldwide expanse, forcing the insurance industry to advance. And the world gets smaller, a global bazaar, a car built from parts that have traveled so far. From Japan to Canada, the supply lines weave, creating exposures that underwriters perceive. No longer just local, the competition is worldwide. The coverage needed is planet-wide, deep and wide. So the policies adapt, the coverages grow to meet the new challenges that business now know. Cyber liability for a hacker's demand, business interruption across many a land. The industry changes with drones and apps, navigating these new overlapping maps. It's a triple-edged challenge, a risk evolution, demanding robust and smart solutions. Tech, climate, and global trade, the three new forces that won't fade. The triple engine of modern risk.